Yo, welcome back, traders. So this was the analysis I gave on my YouTube page yesterday. I know I uploaded the video late. It's just like a forecast, but sorry for that. But some of you are able to see the video, and then you're able to take this particular opportunity. It's just like 1:9. It's not up to 1:10, but I think it's good to start this week with 1:9. Just imagine you making 9% of your capital on Monday. Right now, I'm done for the day. I'm not going to take any trade today again. Still tomorrow, so I'm going to analyze the market. Just like you make like 10% of your account in a single day. If you're risking 1%, let's just imagine that I risk 1% of my account into this particular trade, and then I'll end up making like 9%, even though I not risk 1%. yeah, I get it right. So that's just it. So I gave this particular analysis on my YouTube page. I think I saw the analysis on 13 minutes time frame. Yeah, I measured 13 minutes time frame in the video. I said if price end up breaking this particular low and then doing something like this, price come all the way down, then go up a little bit, then come all the way down to break this particular low. So you're not going to trust this particular order block, you're going to trust the order block above it, and then from that place you can go down to lower time frame, just like to increase what your risk to reward ratio and then sell the market. And also in the video I said always set towards your take profit in 100% moment. Right now price end up getting towards our take profit, price can still go back up, get to this particular stop loss, that's what I mean, and start doing what's on a bullish direction. So but right now I'm done for the day. I'm not going to take any trade anymore. So I gave this particular analysis on my YouTube page, and then this is one of the way on how to identify a real order block in the market. And also some of my students were able to see this particular setup. So I'll show you one of my students that entered into this particular setup, and also I did this particular analysis. I know you guys missed it out, so let me just show you guys on the video before this particular moment end up playing out. Let me show you on my YouTube page, because some of you didn't watch the video, so let me just go to my YouTube page right now. So right now this is my YouTube page, and then this is the video. Guys, it just having 72 views, very small. That's why I said my audience are small. So if you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe. And then so you can see this video that I uploaded 13 hours ago, it's just like 72 views. It's very small. So let me just show you the video where I did this particular analysis. Okay, I think okay, let me just fast forward it. I give that particular, okay, no, yeah, okay, can you see right there? Can you see right there? This is where I give the analysis. Like if price end up coming all the way down, go up a little bit, then come down, then price needs to break this particular high. Can you see right there? Let me, okay, can you see price bro, this particular high, respect the other block above it, and then come all the way down. So I was explaining right here the reason why you have to set to take profit in 100% movement, because some traders can end up increasing what their take profits up to this particular level. No, the analysis that give you that particular entry, that is what you're going to use to set what your take profit at the 100% movement. So you can end up watching this video, just watch this video so you can understand what I did here. And then I was excited to see that particular setup is very simple, guys. It's very simple, and this is one of the reasons why I always advise people to join my mentorship program. If you join my mentorship program, you understand all this trading strategy. It's very simple, guys. Let me show you one of my students that caught this particular trade also. So right here, this is one of my students said, "Hello boss, please, good morning. This is the trade." Okay, you see right there? Can you see right there? It says it's our first day profit right there. Can you see? You enter into the trade also. This is the first day profit, and then I think you want to set what is second day profit right there. But I'm already out of the trade already, so I'm gonna waste it tomorrow. Just like to find another perfect play, just like to enter into the trade. So this was the trade is saying to me. You enter into the market too. Let me just show you the shots. Okay, I'm currently riding the wave. Okay, so you was asking me. Okay, it's been great for you. Okay, class for today. So this was the entry. Can you see this? My student was able to see this particular entry, and then it was able to enter into the trade. So that is one of the things I always advise people to learn. Once you learn, you know where to enter into the market, and then you know when to exit. My trading strategy is one of the best trading strategy out there. There's not any single trader that is going to teach you how to identify a real order block in the market, and also how to go down to lower time frame. Let me show you how I was able to go down to lower time frame, just like to increase what my risk to reward ratio. Let me show you that. Okay, so this is some of the things that make my trading strategy very interesting. It's not all about you getting a real order block, you know, where price is going to respect. There are more to it. Like what I'm explaining on my YouTube page, like a peanut, there are a lot more to it that you need to know. For example, right here, price ended up breaking this particular low on 30 minutes time frame. I said this particular order block right here is not what a real order block. You can go and watch that video. I think market was around this particular place. All these moments is here to play out when I did the video. So I said any single time you see price end up breaking one low, a lot of traders are questioning that why am I using one single candle, calling one single candle in low. The thing is, like, I learned from ICT, and then ICT learned from Larry Williams. Larry Williams is the one that used 3 formation candle to call AI. What I mean by 3 formation candle, this is the first candle right here, and then this candle go above this one, so this one go below it. So this is what Larry Williams used to trade. And single time you see markets, one candle go below another candle. For example, this bullish candle go below this particular bearish candle right here, so it's good to sell the market automatically. So that is what Larry Williams used to trade, and then it's going to set what stop loss above it right here. So ICT learned from Larry Williams, I learned from ICT, and then being a 2 years of trading ICT, I wasn't that really profitable because it teach a lot of strategy, you understand. So I used all the strategy in the market. Then after some time I was able to discover that you don't really need to trade all the strategy, you just need to stick to one trading strategy, and then once it play out, once you see your setup, you can take advantage of it. Just like what happened right here, just like 1:9. You would I supposed to like to increase it to like a 1:10, but it's okay just like to follow your trading rule, your trading rules. So this is where I set what my take profit. I supposed to like to increase my take profit window here, just like what my student do to set what my second take profit right here. No, so I'm cool with this. So right here, price end up breaking only one low. I call this opposite candle low. The reason just because there's a reason why every single candle end up in either a bullish candle or a bearish candle in the market. So you have to know that market is very precise, price is very precise. So price end up breaking this particular opposite candle, then price is not going to respect this particular order block right here. Price is going to respect the order block above it. So I was able to see this particular order block right here. Okay, so I was able to see this particular order block right here. So this order block is a very big order block. If I have to like to use this particular order block, let's check the ratio. Okay, this is just like 1:3. This is what some traders are going to do because they don't really know how to go down to the Timeframe to increase what their risk to reward ratio. This is just like 1:3, but I was able to like to reduce what my order block, just like to know exactly the price is going to inside this particular 30 minutes order block. So from 30 minutes I moved down to like 15 minutes time frame. So 15 minutes time frame right now, I was able to like to see okay, price end up breaking. Oh sorry, on 30 minutes time frame I think I did a mistake there. Okay, so on 30 minutes time frame, this is the order block here. This is the last bullish candle. Can you see? This is the last bullish candle, so you're going to ignore this particular week. A bearish order block is the last bullish candle. That is why every single candle that form in the market is very important. There's a reason why those candles have to end up in either a bullish candle or a bearish candle. Just so like this particular bearish moment right now, a bearish order block is the last bullish candle. Can you see the last bullish candle? And then this is the last bullish candle right here. That's a reorder block, not this one, because this one end up breaking only one low. So price not going to respect this particular order block. Price going to respect the order block above it. So okay, from here I was able to go down to lower time frame. I think 15 minutes time frame. So on 15 minutes time frame, price end up breaking only this low, and the price not break this low. So I'm going to leave the order block like that without making any changes. Then I move down to like 5 minutes time frame. So on 5 minutes time frame, I was able to see this particular order block right here. Let me delete this. I was able to see this particular order block right here because it ended up breaking a lot of lows. It's one that brought this particular opposite candle here, this bearish candle, and then this one also. See, it ended up breaking 2 lows. Okay, it ended up breaking 2 lows right here, making this particular order block here a re-order block. So I was able to reduce the order block right here. So I moved out to like a 3 minutes time frame and also 1 minute time frame, but I couldn't use all these 3 minutes time frame and 1 minute time frame just because let me show you, just because I don't really have enough information right here. So we have gap here. So this place right here is a gap. So I just stick with our 5 minutes time frame. So I only use our 5 minutes time frame just like to enter into the trade because of that particular gap. Then I set out my entry right here, set my stop loss above it, and then I set my take profits using the load that's giving the analysis. Can you see right here? So this is where I set out my take profits. Even though price is going to go all the way down, but I'm okay setting what my take profits right here because this is 100% movement. Because this is all my trade that I caught. I think on daily time frame. Okay, 4 hour time frame. Sorry, 4 hour time frame. Yeah. So this particular movement from this particular low, right here, I mean from this low to this particular high, I enter into this trade and then I set to my take profits right here. Can you see price just end up tapping me, get to my take profit and then start doing what on in bearish direction. So I didn't wait for this particular moment, just like to for price to get to this particular high before I leave the market. So I have to leave the market early and then find another place just like to enter into the market, which I was able to see this particular area here. I saw an entry to here. I think I showed this on my YouTube page also. So I'm going to create a short video about this so you can just check it out and then watch it. I saw analysis here, I think on 30 minutes time frame. Yeah. Okay. So it was on 30 minutes time frame. I saw this analysis here. I did a video about it, and then one of my students also was able to see this trade right here, and then we end up buying the market, but I left the market early around there, but he set his own take profits right here. So I left the market early. So that's just for that. So if you want to join my mentorship program, you can join my mentorship program right now. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can learn all these things. Down a lot more to this. And then I have been receiving requests to start a monthly mentorship because there's a limit numbers of people I can trade in a single day, because my personal training is like me training you individually. So I can't train every single person every single time because I can spend it up to like a 1 hour 30 minutes with one person. So there's a limit numbers of students I can train in a single day. So I'm planning to start a group training right now, so a group class. So you can also sign up for the group class, you understand? So it's going to be basically on WhatsApp. I'm going to be creating a group right now. I'll drop the link in the description so you can join my next month mentorship. By that time, I'll be able to actually train a lot of people at once. So you can just sign up for my next month mentorship. So it's going to be for a full month. So I'm going to be leaving the link also in the description so you can join the next month mentorship. And also it's going to be a very cheap price, not very high price. It's going to be a cheap price. And also if you still want my personal mentorship, just like one-on-one training with you, you can just check the description also. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description so you can sign up for the personal mentorship, but you can also sign up for the group mentorship also. It all depends on what you want. So that's just for that. So if you find this video interesting, I really appreciate you guys to like this video and then to comment. Let me just know your opinion, and then I'll subscribe. Please subscribe. You can see the number of my subscribers are very small, and then the last video I uploaded is just having 72 views. Imagine that. Please subscribe. See you in my next video.